Okay, so this is my dehydrator that I had for a while. I really haven't used it or thought about using it, but I'm gonna go ahead and unpack it today. And it's a Septree food dehydrator with 16 layers. We're gonna unpack this, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Let me tell you about my new dehydrator. This dehydrator I have had for a while. I just now decided to open it and see what it looks like. It's been it's been months. I haven't had it for months. But now I need to use it, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. I already taken it out the box because the box was kind of big, so I wanted to go ahead and get that out the way. It was too heavy. So this dehydrator has a power supply of 120 volts to 60 hertz. The rated power is 1500 watts. The temperature range is from 20 to 90 degrees Celsius, from 70 to 190 Fahrenheit. It also has 16 trays, and of course the timer is 24 hours. Now the dimension on this one is 17 by 21 by 5 by 5 by 29 by 5 inches. It weighs 65.23 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and open it up on the inside and see what's on the inside. So these are the timers for different things that you want to dehydrate. It has herbs on here, flour, fermentation on here, yogurt, vegetables, fruits, fruit rolls, meats, fishes, and jerky. And this is the timer for that. You have the temperature gauge right here, the on and off switch, the timer. This is the up and down right here. And it's pretty simple. You see it's stainless steel. It is sitting on wheels. I have it on this table, and it does have locks on the wheels. But I have it on this table so it sits a little high. It does sit a little high on the floor, but I don't want to bend down to take my trays out, so I put it on this table. It has on the side where you can pick it up, two holding mechanisms on the side. You open it up from here. You got two little latches on the side where you open it up. Oops, what is that? Okay, so I'm going to take this off. Okay, so this is, I got to figure out what this is for. Take all of this off. So it has the trays on the inside. Like I said, it's 16 trays. It came with 2 of these jars. The trays are round, and this rack, it actually spins when you turn it on. It turns while you're dehydrating. It comes with your food dehydrator book. This looks like it's a handle that goes on somewhere. Oh, goes right here. The handle, you put the handle on right here. It comes with the screwdriver and the book that puts that on. Has a book in here, a dehydrator book, user manual. It also have this where you pick up your trays. Take the trays out when they're warm. Okay, and it looks like it comes with, these are some hooks. This looks like the hooks for when you're doing jerky. You hang it up. These little hooks, S hooks, when you're doing jerky. Okay. Okay, it also comes with your tray when you're dehydrating liquids, and it also have your little pads, mats So put it out, put it together. Actually comes with two of those. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very nice. Like I said, it does turn and rotate as it dehydrates. And this is what I'll be using to dehydrate my fruits and vegetables and herbs, because I can put more in and get more done. My smaller dehydrator is the one that I use when I just want to do something smaller. That's what I use when I want to do something smaller. But right now, I needed to break this open and break it in. So if you like this dehydrator, try it out. If you like dehydrating foods, making jerky, beef jerky, turkey jerky, whatever kind of jerky you like, fruit jerky, try it out. Look, you can purchase this from my link tree at the top. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. If you like this video, please share it, follow me for more dehydrating recipes, and I'll see you in my next video.